Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my full upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand the solid way to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in the 15-minute time frame here. So here I am going to analyze the opening session of the natural gas for this week, how the natural gas futures have started the day with a gap up opening well at the levels of $4.889. After the opening here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been sustaining well above the levels of 4.923. So here I find that we have crossed the immediate resistance at the levels of 4.889. So this was the level which was an immediate resistance, but now this level has turned into a support when the natural gas futures have come up, and now I find that shortly if the natural gas futures find a breakout well above the next resistance at the levels of 4.962, we'll see this uptrend to continue. For this we will have to see that whether the natural gas futures are able to take a sustained move well above the levels of 5, because $5 is a psychological resistance. So here I find that shortly if the natural gas futures continue this rally above the levels of $5, we'll see this uptrend to continue. So friends, now let us check this move with the help of HMO cloud. So friends, here in the 15-minute time frame here you can see that still the natural gas futures have been trading well below the lower end of HMO cloud. So here I find that still the major resistance is at the lower end of HMO cloud. Once we find a breakout above the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of 4.996, we'll see this uptrend to continue, where I find that a system move well above the levels of 5.095 will confirm this uptrend to continue. So friends, here you can see that how the 9 days moving average has taken a U-turn, where I find that shortly we'll see the formation of a bullish crossover here in a 15-minute time frame. So here I find that if we find a successful formation of a bullish crossover here, we'll see this uptrend to continue. Friends, here I find that we'll have to wait and watch whether the natural gas futures sustain at the current levels or find a breakdown below its opening levels, because here I find that still the natural gas futures have a tough resistance here. So friends, here I find that the levels of $4.962 is tough resistance for natural gas futures in the 15-minute time frame, where the natural gas futures could take a sustained move out of the psychological resistance at $5, and the next target could be at the levels of 5.288. So friends, now let us check this move in an hourly time frame. So here in an hourly time frame here you can see how the natural gas futures have shown a gap up opening on the first trading session of this week. So here I find that if the natural gas futures maintain well above this uptrend line up to 4 a.m. on November 15th, so friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a sustained move above the levels of the 5.172, that will confirm the continuity of this uptrend for this week, where the natural gas futures can test the next resistance at the levels of the 5.888, where a breakout well above the levels of the 5.892 will confirm the continuity of this uptrend, where the natural gas futures could try to test the levels of the 6.2 during this week, because I find that during the mid of this week we'll see a sharp surge in natural gas futures, because still the supply constraints are there. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could sustain well above the psychological resistance at $6. If the natural gas futures maintain this gap in today's trading session, we'll see a breakout move well at 7 a.m. on November 15th, well above the lowest of 5.4. And here I find that if the natural gas futures find a sustained move well above the 26 days moving average, which is currently at the lowest of 4.963, we'll see this uptrend to continue, where the natural gas futures could take a sustained move well above the next resistance at the lowest of 5.093. And here I find that if the Nasdaq futures find a system move well above the reverse of $5.173, we'll find a breakout move at 7 a.m. on November 15th. Friends, now once again, let's check this move in the 15-minute time frame. So here in the 15-minute time frame here, you can see that the second candle, the red candle, which looks evident enough for the presence of bears at this point. So friends, here I find that the natural futures maintain well above the immediate support at the $4.907. We'll see this uptrend to continue, where the second resistance can be seen at the $5.962, and I find that if the natural futures make a breakout well above the upper end of Ichimoku round in a 15-minute time frame, which is currently at the $4.995, we'll see this uptrend to continue. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.